Popular media personality and TV show host Wendy Williams took a break from her program after her health condition deteriorates. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV. We'll have the details of this to come on our program Celebrity Scoop. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. The popular TV show host Wendy Williams of The Wendy Williams Show had to take a break from the regular sitcom drama after her health condition deteriorates. This falls on the heels after the show itself had to be pulled down from the regular routine of the in-studio recording and recorded from the confines of her home due to the COVID spread. This falls on the heels as well after months of drama surrounding Wendy Williams and husband Kevin Hunter. After years of rumors and alleged drama, the two have finally parted their ways. The couple were together for 22 years and shared a son together, Kevin Hunter Jr. Rumors were circulating for a month that Kevin Hunter was cheating on Wendy Williams and impregnated another female. That ran rampant over social media just before the two split. Fast track to the year 2020, we should have seen an enlightened Wendy Williams recovering from a nasty breakup with her ex-husband Kevin Hunter. This, however, did not lead to what caused her health issues now, as this has been an ongoing problem as it relates to her grave disease. We're about now to divulge some details as it relates to the new development. So Wendy Williams right now is taking a break from her day-to-day regular show routine. The Wendy Williams Show had stopped production some time ago based on Wendy Williams' health condition, and this is just another scenario being played out right here. Back in October in 2017, Wendy Williams fainted on stage during her show, saying later she became overheated while wearing a bulky Halloween costume. Well, this is just Links 007 TV report on the health condition as it relates to the TV show host. We just hope that she does recover speedily from this and that the show can be brought back to the full swing. We here will just keep you up to date with these stories plus more to come. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we're out for now.